Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have exciting video for all the photography lovers out there. I will be diving into the world of DSLR cameras and exploring the top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2023. Whether you are a beginner or an enthusiast, these cameras are sure to elevate your photography to the next level. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy these cameras from Amazon at discounted price. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's get started now. Our first contender on the list is the Nikon D3500. This camera is perfect for beginners who are just starting their photography journey. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, the D3500 captures stunning high-resolution images, provide a clear and vibrant display. Additionally, its 5 frames per second continuous shooting speed ensures you never miss a moment. The D3500 also offers 1080p video recording, make it an excellent choice for videographers. So if you are looking for a budget camera, then this is the perfect option for you. Next up, I have Canon EOS Rebel T8i, also known as EOS 850D. This camera is suitable for both beginners and expert photographers. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel APS CMOS sensor, the Rebel T8i boasts a 3-inch articulating screen with around 1 million dots, allowing you to easy navigating and framing. With a continuous shooting speed of 7 frames per second and 4K video recording capabilities, this camera is powerhouse for both photography and videography lovers. So this is again a great choice if you are looking for the camera for both photography and videography. Moving on, I have EOS Rebel SL3, also known as 250D or 200D Mark II, another fantastic option for beginners. With 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a 3-inch screen featuring around 1 million dots. This camera delivers impressive image quality and user-friendly interface. Its 5 frames per second continuous shooting speed and 4K video recording capability make it a versatile choice for creative individuals starting their photography journey. Alright, so our fourth pick is Canon EOS 90D, a camera designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Sporting a powerful 32.5 megapixel APS CMOS sensor, this camera captures incredibly detailed images. The 90D features a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen with 1 million dots, offering flexibility in framing and composition. With an impressive continuous shooting speed of 11 frames per second and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, this camera is a top choice for those who demand high performance. So this is again a great choice if you are an expert photographer or videographer, so this camera is perfect for you. Last but not least, I have Nikon D5600, a fantastic DSLR camera for beginners and expert photographers. Equipped with 24.2 megapixel APS CMOS sensor and a 3.2-inch articulating touchscreen with around 1 million dots, the D5600 delivers exceptional image quality and intuitive controls. Its 5 frames per second continuous shooting speed and 1080p video recording capabilities make it a reliable companion for capturing beautiful moments. And that's it guys, my top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2023. Whether you are just starting or you are expert looking to upgrade, these cameras offer perfect blend of performance, features and usability. We hope this guide helped you in your camera shopping journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you stay updated my latest tech content. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye bye.